Welcome back to TechXplorer. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Honor Magic 7 Pro, a smartphone that blends cutting-edge technology with an elegant design. With its 6.81-inch quad-curved AMOLED display, the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a 200MP quad-camera setup, and a massive 5850 mAh silicon-carbon battery, this phone is designed to deliver a flagship experience. On top of that, it comes with macOS 8.0, based on Android 15, bringing a host of new features and improvements. Let's dive deep into the details and see what makes this device stand out. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is a true work of art. With its quad-curved AMOLED display and slim bezels, it offers an immersive viewing experience. The back panel features a glossy finish, available in glacial silver and obsidian black, giving the phone a luxurious aesthetic. The aluminum frame adds durability, while the curved edges provide a comfortable grip. The device also includes an in-display fingerprint scanner, ensuring both security and convenience. Despite its large battery, the Magic 7 Pro manages to maintain a sleek profile, measuring just 8.3 mm thick and weighing 198 grams. It's not only a powerhouse but also a statement of style. The 6.81-inch quad-curved AMOLED display is undoubtedly one of the Magic 7 Pro's standout features. With a 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, it delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and buttery smooth animations. The HDR10 Plus support ensures an enhanced viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or browsing. The screen reaches a peak brightness of 1200 nits, making it easy to use even under direct sunlight. The quad-curved edges not only look stunning but also contribute to a more immersive experience, making the display feel endless. Whether you're consuming media or multitasking, the screen is a visual treat. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor ensures top-tier performance. Paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, the Magic 7 Pro can handle anything you throw at it, from intensive gaming to seamless multitasking. Benchmark scores place it among the best in its class, delivering exceptional results in both CPU and GPU performance. Games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly at max settings, thanks to the Adreno GPU. The macOS 8.0, based on Android 15, optimizes the hardware to provide a fluid and intuitive user experience. Features like split-screen multitasking, gesture navigation, and privacy enhancements make this software a joy to use. The 200MP quad-camera setup on the Magic 7 Pro is a game-changer. The main sensor captures incredible detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. With advanced AI features, the camera automatically optimizes settings to deliver stunning results every time. The 12MP ultrawide lens provides a 120-degree field of view, perfect for landscapes and group shots. The 8MP telephoto lens supports 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects with clarity. Lastly, the 2MP depth sensor enhances portrait shots, creating a natural bokeh effect. Video recording is equally impressive, supporting up to 8K resolution with OIS and EIS stabilization. The AI-powered night mode ensures sharp and vibrant photos, even in low light. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera delivers clear and natural-looking photos, perfect for social media and video calls. The 5850 mAh silicon-carbon battery is one of the largest in its class, offering exceptional endurance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, This battery has you covered for the entire day. The phone supports 100W fast charging, allowing you to recharge from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. While it doesn't support wireless charging, the fast charging speeds more than make up for it. Thanks to the silicon carbon technology, the battery is not only larger but also more efficient, delivering longer life cycles compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Running on macOS 8.0, the Honor Magic 7 Pro brings a host of new features. The software is clean, intuitive, and highly customizable. Features like App Multiplier and Smart Split Screen enhance productivity, while the always-on display adds a touch of personalization. The AI-powered system optimizes performance based on your usage patterns, ensuring a smooth experience throughout the day. Enhanced privacy tools, including App Lock and Secure Folder, keep your data safe and secure. With 5G connectivity, the Magic 7 Pro is future-ready, delivering ultra-fast download and streaming speeds. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is priced at $999, positioning it in the flagship category. Competing with devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Xiaomi 14 Pro, it offers a unique blend of cutting-edge features and value for money. Its 200MP camera, quad-curved display, and massive 5,850 mAh battery make it a strong contender for anyone looking for a premium smartphone experience. So, is the Honor Magic 7 Pro worth it? Absolutely. With its stunning design, powerful performance, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery, this phone ticks all the boxes for a flagship device. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or a professional, the Magic 7 Pro delivers a top-notch experience in every aspect. What do you think about the Honor Magic 7 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.